It's snack o'clock up in here. Open wide. Never mind.
Rude.
Sorry, not sorry.
That's how it's gonna be? Fine. I've got my own worms to deal with. Literally.
Worm number 2, please. Gah! What did you do?
What? Oh, gummy worms and real worms. That's quite the mix-up. Whoops! Is today beautiful or what?
Oh, hey, you are glowing today.
Why should I be? Don't you just love Wednesdays? Yay! Uh-oh, what was that thud? My stuff?
Not so happy anymore, huh?
I guess not.
You should have seen your face.
Oh yeah? Maybe Wednesdays aren't so great.
Yikes. Oh well.
Hey, get out of here, okay? Wait, I know. Whoa. Who stuck gum under here? Ick. I just need this cardboard. This day is about to get a lot brighter. See? Isn't it prettier already? Last one. Perfect for all of my stuff. No more backpack needed. There's a new bag in town. Adorable, right? Well, what do you think? Isn't it so me? And the best part? There's literally a spot for everything. Look, Cody.
What? You made that? But how? There are so many compartments, even for your markers.
I know. Don't forget down here. I have my pens in there. I'd better get my notebook ready. Class is about to start.
You're really talented. Huh? Eyes up here, students. These problems won't solve themselves. Man, I hate math.
Okay, think. Oh, I can't write with this or this. Good thing I've got backups. Math mode officially activated. Hey! That's unfortunate. But I can still use it, I think. Yep, okay. Carry the 7, add 2, or subtract 2. Almost done.
Huh? Look at her go! She's like a modern Albert Einstein. Hey, stop! Look!
What? Oh no! Ink explosion! It's everywhere. Whoops. Now what do I do?
Your math paper is totally ruined. Rough stuff.
Yeah. Oh no! What happened to the teacher? That's not good. Focus. I've got to fix this mess. Rubber tape to the rescue. Just keep it on coming. Yep, all the way to the end. Perfect. And you sit right on top. Meow. New pen. Who this? Horrific writing utensil, I'd say. No more ink explosions here. Just smooth sailing. Mathing. See?
What? You fixed it?
Yeah. Meow.
Oh yeah? Whatever.
Problem solved.
Let's see here.
A job well done. Organization makes for healthy thinking. In you go.
And as the sun set on the little town, just think of the symbolism.
Yep, totally.
Hey, those eyelids are looking heavy, bro. Night-night. Epic. What else can I stick to her face? Easy. And what on earth? Young lady, hello?
Oh, what happened? Where am I? Oh no. Sorry about that.
Bored, are you? That mess!
Oh, I'm sorry. How'd all this stuff get over here? I swear, it's not mine.
Then whose is it? No, not mine. I've got my stuff here, see? Well, it's yours.
Oh yeah? Then I'll take care of it. Is that better? So many colors. And the rest? I've got this. Just give me a little time. I have to connect some things. See? Perfect fit. But I'm not quite done yet. Let's go and keep them coming. Phew. Last one. Then wrap them around here. And just like that, it's ready. There. It's just perfect. I call it the mess corrector. Cool, right?
Hey, check it out. Looking good, girl. Sweet dreams, huh?
Haha, very funny. Extra cheese was the move.
I like my cheese with a side of scorpion. Have fun, little guy.
Huh? What is it? Ah!
Gotcha! Scared, are ya?
Ew! He did what? I know, right? Then what'd you say?
Boo!
What? Alien!
Nope, just me. Tricked ya!
What's the matter with you? Sorry, yeah. Hello, Cody?
Hope you brought your umbrella today.
Huh?
Didn't predict rain, did ya?
Not funny.
That was close. Oh yeah, gotta take a leak.
Wait a minute. Time for some payback. I'm gonna get him so good. And he's never gonna see it coming. He wants to make it rain? Then watch me make it pour. This is no ordinary water gun, but he doesn't know that.
Cool water gun. Hey, you wanna play, huh? Okay then, you can run, but you can't hide. No?
Aha!
Where could she be hiding?
Over here, bro!
Hey, man down! I'll get you! Prepare to get soaked!
Hey!
Phew! Game on!
I got you.
You got my heart for sure. Wow. What's he talking about? Squares, spheres, and triangles. Can you draw these? Let's try, shall we?
That's not too hard. I need the right tool, though. I can't find it anywhere. Weird. I'm sure it was here. I'll just use this. Steady, steady. Well, any good? I suppose those lines could be straighter. Maybe I'll try this one. Just gotta keep my hands steady.
Interesting.
What?
What's going on?
Sorry, I'm trying here.
Trying? Trying what, exactly? Is that a circle? I know that tape is. I have an idea. How about... Oh, yes! I think I can do something with this. There. I'm seeing stars, people. That means just one thing. Star sprinkles. Oh yeah. Here's where things get interesting. I can use this ruler as a guide. See? I'm making my own ruler. Bet you've never seen that before. All done. And to keep it in good shape, a protective layer of plastic ought to do it. With some stars, of course. Just trust the process, okay? I just need the ones that stick. See? I made a ruler, baby! Why don't you use this?
Huh? Where'd you get this?
The ruler? It's for you.
Awesome! Thanks! Now I have a straight line to follow. Geometry class better watch out for me now. Look!
Oh, I am! Wow. Okay, class, time is up. Hand them in. Let's go!
No problem. I'm finished.
Those angles. So sharp, so accurate. And you? What?
I so nailed it.
I must have forgotten mine. Forgot? What else is new? My bad.
Time to add the ruler to my stash. And I have just the spot for it. See? Perfect fit. I'm not surprised. Oh yeah, my one true love. My sweet, sweet Cody.
What's she writing over there?
Hey, no peeking, okay?
I gotta see it.
You can't see this! Stop it! Oh no, he got it.
Well, this is awkward.
I can't believe this.
She was writing my name? Jeez. Hey, it's okay. Come on.
What do you want?
Can I see the rest? Please?
Fine, just take it.
Oh, thanks a lot. I'm gonna make things right. I promise you won't be disappointed. You like writing on chalkboards, right? Then check this out. All you need is some chalk. All done. What do you think? Hey, come on, it's for you. Just look, okay?
What?
You can write whatever you want and erase it just as easily. You see? Get the message? It's for you!
Me? You love me?
Yeah, I kinda do. So...
Yep, it's happening. Mwah. Hey, get out here right now.
See ya!
Coming! Like and subscribe for more great videos.
I can't be late for class! Time's running out! And I'm so close! Look at all these obstacles! But nothing is gonna slow me down! I'll make it to my desk before the bell. I'm a lean, mean studying machine. Let's do this. Charge! Look out! Whoa! Hey! No! Hey, I've read that book. I'm gonna make it! Nothing can stop me now. I'm so close! Oh no! No! Time for class. Huh? Move! I can't stop! This isn't good. What do I do? Ah! Ouch! That hurt. Ow! I can't find my glasses. Where are they? Why is everything blurry? Who said that? Ow! We need our glasses! And this can help. I'll start by applying glue to a match. Then I'll wait for it to dry. This is perfect. Now I can light the match. I'll let it burn down and soften the glue. Then I can rub it on the legs of my glasses. This should create a secure bond. We're looking good! And more importantly, we can see. Wait! What time is it? We're late! Get out of my way! Move! Okay, class. It's exam time. I hope you studied. I'm totally gonna fail! Oh, I know this one. This is bad. I'm gonna have to guess. It's better than nothing. This is tricky. I think I need some help. Sup? It's not what it looks like. I'll take that. That didn't go quite as I expected. Okay, time for plan B. Oh no, the teacher's coming. I need to hide this. I'm watching you. Like a hawk. Oh yeah? You missed this. I better hurry. Oh no! This is a disaster! Let's try something else. Mayday! Mayday! I need the answers! Oh, great! Are you kidding me? She's cheating again? Did you get that? Great. Okay, the next one is 45. Oh hi. Fancy seeing you here. Give me that. Hang on. Naomi! You're in so much trouble! Jared? What happened to your voice? I don't think that's Jared. You can never outsmart me. I know every trick in the book. Hello? She's so mean. What will I do now? Oh, got it! Ugh, I ran out of fingers! I'm glad I washed my feet. Okay, where was I? What is she doing now? Naomi? Do you mind? I'm trying to work here. And I'm finished. That was fun. Here you go, miss. Wow, that was quick. Hey, Annie, can you help me? No problem. Check this out. You need to multiply the numbers by 2. Just like this. Then add the decimal separator. It's that easy. Wow! That's amazing! Thanks! I wish I knew this earlier. That's it! I can hand in my paper. This is gonna be good. Huh? No. It can't be. You got an A! I'm a genius. Today, we have a new student joining us. Say hello to Madison. Hey. Let's find you a desk. Please don't sit here. Where can we put you? Oh, sit next to Emma. Wow, thanks. Great. That's just what I need. Hi, neighbor. I'm Madison. We're desk buddies now. Wow, you're intense. Let go of my hand. This is so exciting. I love making new friends. I want to know everything about you. What's your favorite food? Where did you grow up? I'm glad that class is over. Do you have any pets? I have a cat. His name is Mittens. I got these for you, Emma. Aw, Leo, thanks. We should hang out later. Emma, I thought I had lost you. That's wishful thinking. Where are you going? She's gone. Phew. I'll hide out here for a while. Where does she go? She must be around here somewhere. Where would I hide? Aha! This is pretty peaceful. Wait. Hey, bestie. Why are you back here? There's no escape. I can't get rid of her. She's everywhere. Wait a minute. I think I know what to do. And I just need these earphones. I'll pull the wire inside my sleeve, then put them in my ears. I'll cover them with my hair and hands. I can listen to music and Madison will never know. Hi, Emma! What are you doing for lunch? This is perfect. I was like, pow, pow! And then I woke up. Hey, no talking in class. Sorry, miss. This is your last warning. Psst, Annie. Let's use our phones. Good idea. I mean, we're not talking. The teacher never said anything about our phones. That's so funny! Wait. There's mischief taking place. No phones! I'll take them! Oh, that's not fair. What are we supposed to do now? This is so boring. Wait! I think I've got an idea! All I need is these sticky notes. I'll cut them into a small square. Then I'll add this speech bubble sticker. Next, I'll place it in my phone case. It looks like an app. I've cut a notebook to the same shape as my phone. I'll put this in the phone case. I'll add some messages to it. It's just like a phone. Psst, Naomi, take this! Whoa! That's so cool! I better reply. We can finish our conversation. Who needs a phone? Girls, what are you doing? Uh-oh. I'm just making notes. Good. That's what I like to see. So, if you look at chapter 10 in your books… I've gotta take a picture of this! Annie, look at this! It's so embarrassing! We should post that! I better get to class. Not so fast. I don't want any cheating. This is a little weird. Aha! Just as I thought. Hand over the rest. I mean it. Give me them. How did she know? I hope you're happy. I'll probably fail now. Get in there. This is gonna be awful. Wow, that was worse than I thought. An F? This is a great idea. I'll wear a disguise and retake the exam. Wow, this is one dirty floor. Hi, I need to clean the classroom. What? Oh, sure. Stop! Don't I know you? You look familiar. I don't know what you're talking about. Stay still. I mean it. My mop! How dare you! This bucket is full of cheat sheets. What? How did that happen? I don't believe it. Get out of my sight. It was worth a try. Whoa! Ugh, this is so annoying. And I cut myself. Aw, thanks. Wait. This gives me an idea. What happened to you? You're covered in band-aids. Skateboarding accident. Oh my, you need to be careful. I've never seen anything like it. Hello, I need your help. So far, so good. I'll peel off the band-aids. And now I have all the answers. Pretty clever, huh? I've got everything I need. She's right in here. But I'm warning you, she looks terrible. This injection will help. Wait, did someone say injection? What's your best school hack? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.